Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I am here to unbox the October Simply Gilded box of 2020. This one is called Divine, and this is a very earthy box. It has like crystal themes and herbs, has this very like nudish pastel baby pink, and it has like a grayish brown sides and backgrounds. And look at this back. Has like a lot of illustrated herbs in this gold foiling. Gorgeous. Very unique for Simply Gilded too, especially with this darker tone. So I have seen sneak peeks of this one. It stands out, I would say, from Irene's previous boxes, which is exciting. So I'm really excited to see it with my own eyes. So let's get into it. Let's not wait any longer. All right. So also, whoa, okay. There we go. If you haven't seen the mystery item, then this is the spoiler, unless it's one of them that fell out. I don't know yet. We'll see. Since they fell out first, I guess I'll take the pens. This is the gorgeous pen of the month. It has this grayish, like browny, grayish, shimmery color with gold butterflies and little stars or like sparkles, with the classic Simply Gilded bow, of course. So yeah, that's super pretty, and I always love Irene's pens. And we also got another pen. Oh, I love the microperm pens because these you can write on the sticker kits that come, and any sticker kit that's on like a vinyl or glossy paper you can use this with, because they're permanent and they're like alcohol markers. And this is a fine-tipped one. Very fine-tipped. Ooh, I like that a lot. So I don't know if we have different, what's it called? Different sizes, because this is, I believe, the third one we received in the Simply Gilded boxes. But I love that Irene is so generous to give us these because, as I said, you can use them on the sticker kits. And if you plan a lot, you might end up using these a lot. So that's awesome. Then we have the card, which I'm not going to go through because I want to see it all myself. Something really cool is this pouch that is like a, once again, this brownish nudie color, like a bronze kind of. And it has these on the sides so that you can actually use a chain. If you have like a bag that has a chain with a like clasp, you could use that here. And that way this little pouch could become a tiny purse. But I love that it's gold hardware. So this is the inside. We have that dark brown color with Simply Gilded. Oh, it even has a little pocket. Oh, I love that. So you can divide things up. That's so practical. Oh, I love that. Irene, she always thinks of everything. So that's so awesome. And the mystery item has been revealed to my eyes. If you don't want to see it, then look away. But here it comes. It's a pin. It's a little moon pin. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We have not received a pin in a box for like a year, I would say. Maybe, I don't know. It's a long time ago. I believe November last year had one. It's like a gold pin. Oh, it was upside down. It's a moon pin. Oh, look, it has an engraved bow. What a nice little touch. So cute. And I always love the backing that Irene has. That's so pretty. Oh, it matches so well too with this theme. Gorgeous. And we have washi, but I'm taking that for last. So I'm gonna go through the smaller items first. This is something really cool, and I did see Irene show off. It's vellum sticky notes. And I feel like vellum sticky notes has become a thing a little bit in the community lately. So these, they're sticky up here. And because it's on vellum, it's partly see-through. So whatever you place it upon, you can read through it a little bit, which sometimes is very practical. Ooh, and I think that's why we might have gotten the pen, because this pen can also write on vellum. You can't use standard pens on vellum. Maybe you can, but it takes forever to dry. You usually end up smudging it. So this is a great option. So wow, that's so cool. I love vellum sticky notes for different purposes. So this is so fun, and having it round is really unique, and I love the beautiful illustrations too. That's gorgeous. And another fun little item that I was really excited for are sticker seals, or she calls them vinyl stickers. Yeah. Sticker flakes, almost you could say. Oh, I love when the backing is beautiful because it's reusable and super pretty. So these are stickers, and they're actually, you can see that the line is inside here. So they should be quite easy to peel. And it's on vinyl, so they're really sturdy and high quality. Look at that gorgeous illustration. It's fun that she included butterflies at this time of year, and with the earthy tones. So I feel like with the colors, you would think that it could be, you know, it's a fall box, but with the items included, with all the flora and the herbs and the butterflies, you would think that it might be like a spring or summer box. Such a fun combination. This one is hollow. Oh, I love that. That's really, really cool. Next, we have specialty papers, and I always love specialty papers because you can do so much with them. I love to use them as like little divider sections or dashboards in my planners, and Irene's tend to be in B6, so if you have a B6 planner, these are perfect. And because they're double, hold on, this one is like, oh, what's stuck together. If you have like a B6 TN, you can just fold it over your insert. Or if you have a B6 ring planner, you can cut it, and that way you have two little pages to use. So this is a gorgeous hollow foiled star constellation design. So beautiful. It will go perfectly with Irene's different, previous galaxy collections. Let's see if I can find mine. So I'm a Scorpio. Oh, it's right there. There's the Scorpio. Oh, that's so cool. I believe she has all of them on here. That's amazing. So pretty. And then we have the vellum. So that was acetate, and here we have the vellum. It's once again this deep browny, grayish brown, I would say, with gold foiling, with the moons, and we have moon faces. Ooh, this is like I'm not really into astrology. I don't know that much about stars and signs and all that stuff. So this probably, I believe it's the different signs here. But yeah, that's really cool. Speaking of inserts, we have the B6 inserts of the month. It's a gorgeous one as well. I'm gonna open and take away the plastic. Here we go. Oh, this is such a, I always love the feel of these. It's like a matte, soft. So we have the design that was on the box, but we have it on here, and the back is beautiful as well. And the inside is dot grid. So really functional too. A lot of times I've taken this apart, used the inserts for whatever planner, and then used this as a dashboard. So that's more functional for me, at least for what I've had, the needs I've had. So, oh my gosh, the card is so cute. I don't know why I love this so much, but it's like a bunny's butt with the little tail, like a little pom-pom tail being a heart, and the little ear sticking up. And then it's a little bow, as you can see, and the little flora around it. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know though if it's supposed to be like the tail, but for me it reminds me of the tail. I don't know if that makes it correct with the way the ears are pointed, but either way, super cute. And this one is on a deep navy blue, which we do have some signs of in the rest of the kit. Gorgeous. And we have the sticker kit. So excited to go through this. Oh man. Okay, let us see. So we have the 2-paged kit. Oh, gorgeous full boxes. It's fun how she included the very light, soft pink with these deep tones. And the constellations, it's all very like, I feel like this is maybe like Irene's way of, I don't know, she takes inspiration from like the earth and the beauty all around us, which is really, really, I just think it's really clever, and I really like that idea. So, I mean, the format is the same as usual. And oh yeah, the seals are gorgeous. These are different. These are not bows. This is the gorgeous design that we've seen before. And this is the half, like, little mini sheet of half boxes and deco. Oh, I love that we get so many little tiny, tiny stars. And that's what the pin looks like. And an extra full box. Super fun. And, oh wow, it's like a pinkish, isn't that like a pinkish hollow, you would say? With the dates. The date hearts and some icons. And I love that we get this. So we have some more of these stickers. We got these in a box earlier this year. And these are in that same hollow, pinkish hollow foiling. Super fun. Super fun. A lot of stickers this month. And last but not least, we have the washi in this gorgeous bag. And this time you can see it's like the galaxy print on the bag. I love that these bags are a standard now, and they're actually made to fit the box, which I think is really cool. So here comes the washi. Ooh, hold on, where'd it go? So because I am a subscriber to the 5mm add-on, here we have the add-on. So get 2 of that grayish brown color, a pastel, light pink, and I guess that's a navy with stars. Super pretty. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, this was like the galaxy set, which was so unique. That she's included a galaxy set in the box. So we have the standard, actually I maybe should have it the way it was. Maybe like this. So these 4 are always included when Irene does a galaxy collection. I love that it's so much pink, and it's like an earthy nudie pink with a little gray, and it's different. There's some ombre even in here, I believe. So this is probably a variation washi. And it's gold foiled, and she doesn't have, I think this is like the second or something galaxy set that has gold foiling. So that's really cool. And this is a little fun extra. So we have a perforated hollow foiled, actually, moon face header washi, and this gorgeous butterfly that's the same as the pen. Oh, so gorgeous. So super fun. This whole box, like I said, it really stands out from her previous ones, don't you think? Alright guys, so that was the October Simply Gilded box. Really cool, really beautiful, gorgeous designs. I mean, Irene always improves, and it's so fun to see. So yeah, loving it, so fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more Simply Gilded unboxings and other lots of fun things. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.